This is Cole Albin. I'm doing a developer update for cafe-society.news as part of the July AI for All hackathon. We, since a couple of days ago, we've been working on adding the Bitcoin micropayments from alby. They're doing Lightning Network payments, and we don't have the payments yet, but we did get a sign in button, so I'll show you that. We also added some a little bit of infrastructure for helping out with development, secure server locally, and that was because alby does some redirects as part of an OAuth 2 strategy that they've got. So we'll go to the alby sign in page. It says login alby, which means we're not logged in yet. We click on login, do some clicking arounding, and now it says log out alby. That's it for the demo. I'll take a quick view of the codes that the code that we changed. Ooh, almost had trouble getting out of Vim there. Let's see. albysignin.tsx. Let's just cat that thing. So this is a solid.js component. Solid.js, in order to do if statements, does a show component. So we've got at the end of that clicking around session with alby, we end up with a token from them that allows us to read invoices of the user that's logged in. So if we've got that token, it says show it. If we don't, then we fall back to the login button and a little program to initiate the authentication. So the authentication is OAuth 2, straight from the instructions. It took me a while. Some instructions told us that we didn't need this client secret, but I think I've determined that we actually do need that every time. So we're pulling this client secret out of the Vite process environment. So Netlify's got a setup where you can pull environment settings into your application at build time. I think that's it. All this code is straight from the instructions. So I'll quit that component. Let's see if there's anything else important here. As part of the components, if you're a developer and you want to start working on this, this is why I'm showing this detailed stuff. RC. Well, git diff source app.tsx. That seems right, isn't it? Oh, you know what? I'm not going to worry about it. We're passing some props from the app. So some of the token, we're doing local storage using Dexy, which uses IndexedDB. So if you're interested in looking at the code yourself, you would navigate to GitHub, which is a vendor that does Git repo hosting. Navigate to one of these guys, cafe-society. Go to source, and the alby sign-in page is there. As I mentioned before, we've got a bunch of these props. All of these are just getters and setters. Some of them are, I think that the only one that we're persisting to local storage is this token read invoice. And we probably, I called it read invoice because we're probably going to have different tokens to look at, make payments and things like that. So thank you.